45 सेकेंड्स हो चुके हैं। लगभग 70% पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड एंड पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द पोल। ओके, यस यस, सारे कर दो यार, इससे क्या फर्क है, बहुत आसान सा सवाल है। ऑलराइट, सो ओके, एंड पोल। सो या, इट्स अराउंड 50। शेयर रिजल्ट्स कर देते हैं यार, शेयर रिजल्ट्स विद एवरीवन। सो first of all, I would like to know the 50% of people who have not signed up on Algo test. I would like to give you something special today. All right. Uh, Let me tell you, everyone, please go to algotest.in with the referral link that I will be sharing with you in the chat. Just give me a second. Let me share that referral link. Wait, yeah. कि यार आप आए हो यहाँ पे तो उसका बेनिफिट भी तो होना चाहिए। सो व्हाट विल दिस रेफरल लिंक डू? जस्ट होल्ड ऑन। एक सेकंड। यस, please sign up with the referral link. Please click on the link. This something like this page will come up. Once you go to sign up, all right, you can sign up with your phone number, with your Google, or with one of the following brokers. All right. The interesting thing of signing up with Grow is key, first of all, trading on Algo test becomes free for you. That means Algo test will not charge you money for trading. All right. Okay. Further, we give 25 free back tests to everyone every week. Alright, तो वो बैक टेस्ट भी इन अ सेंस आपको फ्री हो गई, ट्रेडिंग भी इन अ सेंस आपको फ्री हो गई। Alright, that is the benefit of going in with Grow. Further, what is the benefit of signing up with this link, guys? Very, very important. If you purchase any credits on Algo test, you will get 25% extra credits. What does that mean? We have some plans. Let me uh, I'll show it to you in a bit. Once you've done the sign up, let me go. Right. You can sign up with your phone number, you can sign up with the Google, or you can sign up with any of these methods. All right. So let me just log in first and tell you what is the benefit of signing with this referral. The All right. The benefit of signing up with this referral is whenever you purchase this credit package, जितना वाला भी आप purchase करोगे, आपको 25% extra credits मिलेंगे. As simple as that. All right. Now let's carry on. I hope. All right. Just hold on. Let me open the Q&A. I hope signed up, but never used. Okay. Okay. Signed up, signed up, signed up. No, sir. No, Mr. Trump. It's not. All right. Uh, how many? I signed up yesterday with my group. Do I need? Okay, we'll do something for you, Mr. Kuldeep. How many of you have already signed up? All right. For lifetime 25% extra credits? No, till all the way till 20,000 extra credits that you can earn, right? Existing users will have to create a new account. So that way you'll be able to get 25% extra. Hanji Patel sir. Patel Nisarg. I just signed up. Me. Oh, awesome. I'll go into the plans. Let's go into the plans later. पहले तो मेरे को ये बताने दो ना, प्लान की जरूरत कहां पड़ेगी and what all this partnership of Grow is doing for us. All right, so let's carry out. So around 50% of the people did not have an Algo test account. I hope the 50% now do have an Algo test account. It's for free. Further, you get 25 free back tests every week. All right, बिल्कुल फ्री, कोई उसका चार्ज नहीं है कि 6 महीने के लिए, 1 हफ्ते के लिए, 2 हफ्ते के लिए. Further, if you want to use the strategy builder and simulator, that is also for free for a week, even live trading. Further, if you open, if you sign up with Grow, all right, or if you trade with Grow, then Algo Test will not charge you any money. It does not apply for signals, but it applies for all the other strategies. All right, carry on. So when you dig deep into that paper that came out, कि only 10% people in traders in India make money, उसमें हमें ज्यादा क्या पता चलता है? What do we find out? That retail traders during that time lost around 75,000 crores. Meanwhile, FPIs and prop traders earned 61,000 crores. All right. लगभग लगभग जितना रिटेल ने गवाया, उतना एफपीआईज और प्रॉप ट्रेडर्स ने कमाया. All right. The difference being, I am guessing, transaction charges, brokerage, STTs, so on and so forth. All right. So again, we need to understand that we were on the retail side, but what are these FPIs and prop traders and in these institutions doing? All right. That is the, at least we know that they are doing something right. Again, you dig deep into that research paper and you find out that 97% of FPI profits were coming from algos. Trust me, once you have to deploy 100 crores or even 10 crores, 100 तो छोड़ो, 10 करोड़ या 1 करोड़ भी अगर आपको मार्केट में डिप्लॉय करना है, it becomes difficult to do it manually. How are you going to put your stop loss? How are you going to trail your stop loss? How are you going to put your target? How are you going to manage so many trades? All right. Institutions and FPIs and prop traders are mostly using algos. They have a logic. They are not waiting on the screen for the breakout to happen. They are not waiting on the screen for RSI 70 to go to 80. Right? They are not waiting on the EMA crossover to happen. They have already put in their logic and the computer is taking the trades for them. वो वहां पे बैठ के स्क्रीन, बड़ी सी स्क्रीन पे बैठ के देख नहीं सकते कि अच्छा आ गया ब्रेकआउट, आ गया अच्छा ईएमए क्रॉसओवर हो गया, ओ अच्छा अब ट्रेड ले लेते हैं. नो, दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट हैपेंस. इट हैपेंस वेरी सिस्टमैटिकली थ्रू एन algo. All right. So also another thing that we need to understand is how are these top institutions and FPIs and prop traders, what are they doing with the money that they are earning? All right. So this is a paper from last year. We are going to get an updated version soon. All right. Just hold on. So it said in last year, October, around October 2024, a hedge fund, now everyone knows him, Jane Street, gave a fresher from IIT Madras, just a graduate from IIT Madras, a $500,000 package, 4 crore ka package. All right. And Jane is not the only one. Even BlackRock, Glean, Da Vinci, Towers, they all give packages above 1 CR to freshers. So what does that mean? They invest in talent, getting the best talent in the country to make, optimize strategies and build execution setups. All right. They are investing in human resource. All right. Just hold on. All right. So now we got to understand what do we as retail traders do? All right. How can we even compete with them? Essentially, we don't have the talent, we don't have the technology, we don't have the resources. मतलब 4 करोड़ का बंदा नहीं है मेरे पास, कैपिटल भी नहीं है. We don't have the technology. They work in a highly optimized manner. We work uh, in the MFT space. MFT is medium frequency. HFT is high frequency. All right. And we don't have the resources. वो मतलब 61,000 करोड़ का उनका प्रॉफिट है, कंबाइंड है. जो भी है, मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूं 1,000 करोड़ का भी प्रॉफिट हो एक फर्म का, 500 करोड़ का भी हो. We do not have that much capital to build these technologies, to hire this talent and to operate at their level. So what do we as retail traders do? क्या कर सकते हैं हम? All right. First thing is to, like, it feels like we can never compete with them, so it's better to not trade anyways. All right. But the second thing is, we as retail traders need to understand and need to follow their mindset, their framework, their process, and their discipline. These are not just words, these are actionable items which we will discuss in some time. All right. The I am not saying कि ये सब follow करने के बाद you will have a strategy like this. That's stupid to even think about that. Or you will be able to beat them. No, I'm not saying that. My In theory, what I'm trying to tell you is, if there is a highway and they are in a Ferrari driving at, what, 200 kilometers an hour, I am fine being in that highway and, riding my bike. मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. As long as I'm going in the right direction. I don't want to be running in the opposite direction. जो आजकल हमारे साथ हो रहा है. All right. Losses after losses after losses. We want to stop that. At least go in the right direction. Journey of a trader, my friends, is a 5-step journey. Losses, break even, FD profit, mutual fund profit, trading profit. First step for every trader is going from losses to break even. अगर आपने ये कर लिया, you are way ahead of most people. All right. Then the journey of a trader comes. Trust me, if you invest time, you will get there. We will be talking about how to get there, but you need to follow that system. All right. So the first thing that we discussed is mindset. You need to change your mindset. You need to start treating trading as a business and not gambling. This is not your side hustle जहां से आप मतलब 25,000 50,000 रुपए कमाओगे और गोवा जाओगे पार्टी करने. This is not that. All right. If you are competing with someone like Jane Street, तो मतलब ये वाला mindset नहीं हो सकता ना. Please understand that trading is a business. It is not a hobby. The difference between a business and a hobby is very simple. In business, you earn money, and in a hobby, you pay money, right? Nobody is going to pay you to go to the gym if that's your hobby. All right. जो भी आपके शौक है उनके लिए आप ही पैसे दोगे, कोई आपको पैसा नहीं देगा कि भाई आ जा यार, बता दे, ये ज्वाइन कर ले। राइट, सो वी नीड टू ट्रीट trading as a very very important business. We will come to that in detail. Since I have mentioned treating it as a business, I'm going to ask my second poll and I'll tell you why. How many of you have an account on Grow? Let me add that poll, please. Take a second. All right. Yes. How many of you have an account on Grow? Please let me know. I'll tell you the reason for that. I'll tell you a business reason for that. And today I will show you a business reason for that. All right. So, okay. Around, we'll 30 seconds done. Around 130 people have answered, which is ओके। अभी बहुत बंदे हैं यार जिन्होंने आंसर नहीं किया। कम ऑन यार, बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है यार, प्लीज जस्ट आंसर दैट एंड आई गिव यू अ बिजनेस रीजन फॉर दैट। ऐसे नहीं पूछ रहा कि यार आपके पास ग्रो का अकाउंट है कि नहीं है, तो क्यों नहीं है। ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट, few more seconds guys, few more seconds. Still not all of people have answered. Come on guys, अभी 50% के आसपास ही है। Come on, it's a all right, few more seconds, few more seconds. Come on, yeah. Okay, end poll. Sharing the results. All right. So what is the business reason why I asked this question? All right. The business reason is very, very simple. Did you guys know that if you have mutual funds on Grow and if you have pledged them to sell options, then you do not need the 50% cash component. You do not need it on an intraday basis and you do not need it on a positional basis. All right. So for example, say you have invested 10 lakhs in Parag Parikh. ठीक है, आजकल का बहुत फेमस म्यूचुअल फंड अकाउंट, म्यूचुअल फंड है। All right, you can pledge that entire 10 lakhs, get 9 lakhs as margin, around 9, 8.5 to 9, एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स आप उनकी वेबसाइट पे देख सकते हो। एंड यू कैन यूज इट टू ट्रेड पोजिशनल, you can use it to trade intraday. You do not need to keep 50% cash. So for example, अगर आपको वो पराग पारेख 15% दे रहा है या 20% एक्चुअली वैसे उसने दिया है, तो मैं तो बोल रहा हूं 15% दे रहा है, और आप अपनी ट्रेडिंग से साल में सिर्फ 6% भी कमा सकते हो, तो योर ROI goes from 15 to 21. All right. That is something special. That is business. That is what I said. Please start treating trading as a business. Shashi, could you share the sign up link for Grow in the chat, please? All right. Shashi, you've shared it?
Sharing, just 1 minute.
Sorry?
Allow me a minute. I am sharing. Just copy paste.
Okay. All right. So this is very essential. Right. I've shared it. So when you talk about trading with Grow, you're talking about this, that you do not need any cash component, number one. Number two, very, very important. with Algo test, trading with Grow is free. All right. And I'll give you another proposition very soon as well. So let's carry on. This is because they follow a framework and a process. All right. Before we go into the framework and process that these institutions follow, all right, we need to understand what is systematic trading and what is algo trading. Systematic trading is trading where you develop predefined rules before placing a trade. You do not change rules because there is कि रिलायंस के रिजल्ट्स आ गए कि आरबीआई की पॉलिसी आने वाली है. नो, you make your strategy over the weekend and you deploy it over the week, months, and years if the strategy is good. Today we're going to talk about one such strategy. All right. Another thing about algo trading is once you have this system, you code it and ask the computer to take the trades. That is algo trading. All right. The most important thing is systematic trading. You need to have a system. Before you enter the market, before 9:15, you need to know when to enter, when to exit, what's your stop loss, what's your target, what's your trail. All right. You do not make decisions while the market is moving. यार वॉल्यूम आ गई, अच्छा आप क्या करें, लग रहा है ऊपर जाएगी, ये लगता कुछ नहीं है. आपने रूल बनाया हुआ है, उसके हिसाब से लॉन्ग जाना है तो लॉन्ग जाना है. आपने रूल बनाया है, उसके हिसाब से स्टॉप लॉस है तो स्टॉप लॉस है. And the system is going to take it for you. There's no that's the algo taking it for you. You're not doing चल थोड़ा 5 पॉइंट रुक जाते, आधा पॉइंट, मतलब अभी तो है, अभी तो सपोर्ट आने वाली है. वो सपोर्ट आपके बैंक बैलेंस को सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ऑलराइट, इफ देयर इज अ रूल मेड इट नीड्स टू बी फॉलोड. All right. Now let's try and understand the process and the framework that these institutions also follow. All right. So before we get to that, how many people have clicked on the link and started their process of opening a Grow account? No, this is incorrect. We have to use 50% of our capital as well. No, sir. Neeraj ji, you do not need to use 50% of your capital if you have an account on Grow. Grow is taking care of that 50% cash component. How can they give 100% cash, 100% margin for non-cash for overnight? Because they are spotting you. Exchange बोल रहा है कि उसको 50% चाहिए. ग्रो कह रहा है ठीक है मैं स्पॉट करता हूं मेरे यूजर्स के लिए. ट्रेड फ्री ऑन एल्गो टेस्ट मींस अभी बताते हैं. Isn't it mandatory by SEBI? It is mandatory by the exchange on the trading member, not on the client. All right. Sir, I was aware about pledging stock investments, but not unaware about pledging mutual funds. That is also there, sir. Mutual funds grow पे लो, चाहे पराग पारेख लो या कोई भी लो, that's up to you. Gold bees, फलाना टिमका जो भी है, you can answer. पटेल, सर एक कंफ्यूजन है मेरा, BTC, I am not going to discuss crypto here. Sorry, Mr. Patel. Grow is expensive with Algo with 20 rupees per order, but there's no transaction cost. And I'll tell you today why it is inexpensive. All right. So, okay. Sure. So let's understand the process. It's a 5-step process. This is the process that even institutions also follow. All right. What is the process? Ideation. strategy creation, back test, forward test, algo. मार्केट में तुक्के नहीं मारने हैं। मैंने आज कुछ बोल दिया, उसको वेरीफाई किए बगैर काम नहीं करना है। वेरीफाई कैसे करना है, ऑल दैट वी आर गोना डिस्कस। आइडिएशन, व्हाट इज एन आइडिया? सिंपल आइडिया, let's say you want to enter into a non-directional strategy and eat the theta. All right, so you can make a positional strategy which starts on say Wednesday, and you carry it forward all the way till Tuesday. Your hope is, right, obviously you're going to have some stop losses, you'll be having hedges, you're going to have stop losses, you'll have a mechanism to book profit. All that is separate. But your idea, what is your idea? Your idea is to gain theta. What is theta? As the options move closer to expiry, their premium reduces and you want to capture that. That is your idea. How are you going to do it? I'm going to enter uh, on a Wednesday, so day one, and I'm going to exit on expiry day. Simple as that. Strategy creation. Strategy creation is how you implement the idea. You wanted to gain theta. Your idea was, okay, let's make a positional strategy. Let's have some. Let's sell some options. Let's buy some hedges. Let's put some stop loss or overall stop loss, and let's put some locking or profit taking mechanism. 5,000 का प्रॉफिट आ गया तो मैं, और ये अगर प्रॉफिट घट रहा है तो मैं 2,000 पे उसको निकाल लूंगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट, profit taking mechanism. All right, so based on the idea you made a strategy, and then point number 3 comes, which is the most important point of any strategy: back test. All right, what is a back test? Back test is running this strategy on historical results. Guys, backtest does not mean that you are going to make profit in the future, first of all right. Second, but if a strategy has not made any profit in the past, the chances of it being successful in the future are slim. So where do we go from now? But what does backtest do? The backtest gives you the trust to deploy your capital. कहीं से तो शुरू करोगे ना, तो एटलीस्ट वहां से शुरू करो जिसने हिस्ट्री में कुछ काम किया हुआ है. Backtest does not guarantee future results, but it gives you the trust to deploy your capital. Number two, profits are going to give you the confidence to increase capital. Backtest deploys capital, profits increase capital. All right. Number 4 is forward test or paper trading. You do this. Why? Because now from a manual setup, you're going to an algo setup. So you want to check if everything is working fine. All right. And number 5 is algo. Finally, you enter the market. What we are doing is this, that from an idea, we are skipping all the way to the algo, या उसको इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. आपने आइडिया सुना कहीं ट्विटर पे, कहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे या यूट्यूब पे सर्च करिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन सेलिंग स्ट्रैटेजी, बड़ों ने किया है, ठीक है, अच्छा ये ऐसे करता था, ऐसे करता था, ठीक है, कल से मैं भी करूंगा. दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू ट्रेड. You need to follow this system. Yes, I am fine with you getting your idea from anywhere else. It shouldn't, there is a possibility you've been in the market, you have your own idea, that is fine. One idea is कि रोज gap up gap down होता है, can I capture that with a buying strategy? That is also an idea. Can you make a strategy around it? Is that strategy profitable in the long term? Right? Just because I've said something does not mean, or you've heard it from YouTube, does not mean you implement it in the market. You need to follow this process of ideation, strategy creation, back test, forward test, algo. All right. Now, based on this setup, one of someone close to the algo test team has created a strategy which we are going to discuss today. He is an RA. He is willing to give out this strategy. All right. And he is doing something special, which we are going to discuss in detail. Let's check out the strategy first. Okay. RA Hardik. All right. And let me show you on the platform itself. So this is the algo test platform. All right. Once you've signed up, once you've signed up, you will go through a short onboarding. All right. After you've done the onboarding, you will come somewhere here. All right. So under RA Algos, all right, I'm going to click on RA Algos. Then I'm going to search for my RA Hardik. And then I'm going to look at his special strategy. It's a premium strategy. So bear in mind. All right. It's a positional strategy on Nifty. All right. He has been very forthright in using this framework to come up with such a strategy. The margin, it's a selling strategy, it's a positional strategy. The margin required is 1,90,000 primarily because ये strategy Wednesday को चलती है और expiry day पे exit करती है. All right, let's check out the results for this strategy for the last 1 year. All right. Okay. So here are the results. All right. 65,000 overall P&L with a drawdown of only 11,000. All right. 88% win percentage, loss percentage only 12%. All right. Overall profit, maximum loss in a trade. And this has been the journey of this trade in the last 1 year. All right. I'll come to all your questions in a bit, guys. All right. Now, the question comes, all right. As we had mentioned earlier, that trading is a business. All right. In business, this is your backtest report. And your backtest report is just like your investor's report where you yourself is the investor. आप ये सोचो कि ये रिपोर्ट लेके आप गए अपने इन्वेस्टर के पास और उसने आपको बताया कि वेरी वेरी सिंपल, उसने ये बताया आपको कि दिस इज फाइन, यू हैव गिवन मी ऑल द रेवेन्यू पॉइंट्स, मगर इसमें एक्सपेंसेस कहाँ है. Alright. So whenever you see a backtest reports, do not take it on face value. Please add the taxes and charges. सरकार तो अपना tax लेगी, STT and all. Brokerage, 20 rupees an order, and slippages, 0.5% because it's option selling with Nifty. These are your realistic results. I'll briefly mention about slippage. What is slippage? For example, you wanted to enter at 100 rupees, but in the market, you got it at 100 rupees. You got 99.5. Sell कर रहे हो ना, 100 की जगह आपको 99.5 पे मिला. All right. So in the back test, you are getting it at 100 rupees. All right. It is assuming you got 100 rupees, but in reality, maybe you got it at 99.5. So 0.5% slippage. That is called slippage. maybe you wanted to exit say at 50 रुपीज, सेल किया 100 पे, 50 पे कवर करना चाहते हो, मगर आपको मिला 50.5 और 51, whatever be the case, that is slippage. All right. So we've added the taxes and charges which the government is going to take from us. We've added the brokerage with the broker and brokerage plus GST. So that is what the broker is going to take from us. And we have added slippage. Now these are the results which are more plausible in the real world. All right. We are going to analyze these results. All right. So this is my overall profit. Now this is my drawdown. ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट एज अ परसेंटेज कितना बनता है, और इसको कैसे एनालाइज करना है उसको हम सोच देखते हैं. वन थिंग, सेव एंड ट्रेड. Once I click on save and trade, I see this unlock button. As I had mentioned, Hardik is someone who's closely associated with Algo Test. He has been working on Algo Test as well, and he's an RA. If you want to look at his credentials, he's a chartered accountant with 10 years plus of experience as well, both in the field of finance and accounting. All right. So this strategy is a premium strategy. What that means, it is paid. Right, the charges are around 2500 bucks for a month. अब as an investor, मैं तो investor हूं, as an investor I want to see what it means. All right, इस पार्ट को अभी हाइड कर देते हैं. What does it mean? The name of the strategy is Nifty Positional Strategy. Margin required is 1,90,000. Overall profit is 51,000. ROI without expenses, without RA expenses है वैसे तो, is 26%. RA monthly expenses are 2,500. इसको अगर मैं एक लॉट से चलाता हूं और आरए के एक्सपेंसेस भी देता हूं, सो माय ईयरली ROI gets reduced to 11%. If I do it with 2 lakhs, it from 26% it goes to 19%. If I do it with 3 lots, my ROI goes to 21%. Now, and I'll come to the questions in a bit. Now, what is a proposition that we have? All right. The proposition is essentially मार्केट में जिसके पास पैसा है वो ही आरओआई निकाल पाता है. इसेंशियली आपके पास 2 लाख रुपए हैं तो आप 11% कमा रहे हो, आपके पास 4 लाख रुपए हैं तो आप 19% कमा रहे हो, और आपके पास 6 लाख रुपए हैं तो आप 21%, 22% कमा रहे हो. ऑलराइट, वी वांटेड टू चेंज दिस विद ग्रो. वी वर्कड विद ग्रो टू नॉट ओनली educate and deliver, all right, but we want the aam aadmi, every retail guy to grow. So what we have done, we have worked with grow, we worked with the RA, and we've made the monthly expenses zero. So it doesn't matter if you trade with 2 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees, your ROI remains the same. It does not decrease because you're a retail trader, and it does not increase because you have money and you're a prop trader. ऑलराइट, चाहे आप एक लॉट से करो, 2 लॉट से करो, 5 लॉट से करो, 10 लॉट से करो, जितने से भी करो, आपका चार्ज जीरो है इफ यू run this strategy with grow, and if you've opened a account with grow. I know a lot of people have a lot of questions. Let me answer a few of these questions. All right, can I pledge bonds, government bonds? Yes, you can. Sorry for the interception, but can you tell a little with basics? So this was very, very basic. All right. We didn't go into strategy creation, but rather we went into someone who is using the Algo Test platform, essentially Hardik, All right. And who has created a strategy from scratch with this framework of um, ideation, strategy creation, back test, forward test, algo. Based on that, he has uh, he is willing to share a strategy which is a premium strategy uh, at 2500 rupees a month, but he is willing to share it for free if you have a grow account, and if you would like if you open a grow account and you would like to use this strategy, or if you have a grow account and would like to use this strategy. All right. बैक टेस्टिंग डेटा करेक्ट मिलता है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट मिलता है, हमारा सारा डेटा एक्सचेंज से आता है, कोई डेटा वेंडर से नहीं आता. इज दिस रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो? नहीं सर, चिरंजीत मजूमदार. What are the subscription fees to Algo test? Very great question. So essentially, हरी, Algo टेस्ट पे साइन अप किया आपने फ्री. Algo टेस्ट पे आपको आरए सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट की स्ट्रेटजी मिली फ्री. उसका मंथली चार्ज फ्री. So everything that we are discussing today is from a retail trader's perspective, and it is free. All right. There is no subscription charge to sign up. There is no subscription charge to look at the strategy, and there's no subscription charge to run the strategy in your Grow account. Did you include algo test fees in the PNL? है ही नहीं तो नहीं include करी sir. All right. Okay, Avneet, let me show you something. I hope this is there. Take a second. The strategy, Avneet, okay, I don't have it here, but yeah, of course. The strategy, Avneet, was done not looking at 1 years of data, but it was done with looking at 3 years of data. And more importantly, since 1st of January 2024, your concern is very, very valid. But since 1st of January 2024, the market has changed a lot. It went from a zero DT or everyday expiry to changes with the margin and the lot size to now finally getting stabilized. So the strategy was built over 3 years, but we have been focusing on it not since the last 1 year, but since the last 2 years. इज दिस मंथली आरओआई और डेली आरओआई? सर मंथली और डेली आरओआई आपको 26% का मिल रहा है, और आप उसमें 1 करोड़ का रुपए लगा सकते हो, तो आई वुड ऑल्सो बी इंटरेस्टेड. लेट्स गेट आउट to this hyperbole. 11,000% रिटर्न, 5,000% रिटर्न, सर ऐसा रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता. कैन आई प्लेज ETF? ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मैक्स ड्रॉडाउन? वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सो यहाँ पे वी हैव सीन द मैक्स ड्रॉडाउन टू बी 11,000 rupees. So first of all, I want to see max DD divided by capital. अब इसमें मैंने कहा कि मेरा मैक्स ड्रॉडाउन इज, चलो 11,500 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस, और इसको परसेंटेज में करते हैं. सो I'll come to this figure soon. What is max drawdown? Very good question. So you must have seen, that, and ड्रॉडाउन की चार्ट भी दिखा देते हैं. Yeah. What is max drawdown? So let's say you started your trading journey. Day one, you made 500 rupees. Day two, you made 500 rupees. So in total, you have 1,000 rupees. Day three, you made 400 rupees. So in total, you have 1,400 rupees. And now comes to day 4, आपको थोड़ा सा लॉस हो जाता है. लॉस कितना होता है? 200 रुपए का. Now your PNL has gone from 1400 to 1200. Day 5, another loss day. Let's say your PNL goes from 1400 to 900. 300 रुपए का लॉस हो गया. All right. And day 6, you made 600 rupees. Okay. So now you have 1500 rupees. 900 plus 600, 1500. Now, what is your journey? Your journey is 1400 to 900 to 1500. All right. This period when you were below your maximum profit of 1400, previous maximum profit of 1400 is called the drawdown period. अभी आप drawdown में हो, strategy drawdown में है, strategy में अभी कुछ दिनों से लॉस आ रहे हैं. All right. What is drawdown? The decrease in your profit from 1400 to 900, मतलब 500 रुपए, the decrease in your profit is called drawdown. All right. And historically if you look कि किसी दिन प्रॉफिट हुआ, किसी दिन लॉस हुआ, फिर प्रॉफिट, फिर लॉस, फिर लॉस, तो हमने देखना है जब लॉस हुआ था तो अगर 3 दिन लॉस हुआ, 4 दिन लॉस हुआ, 5 दिन लॉस हुआ, तो ऐड करके वो कितना अमाउंट बना, that is called drawdown. Sir, can you tell us that the strategy by Hardik, sir, that we can also make one on our own? Oh, for that, I'll in the end, I'll show you and I'll use a bit of AI to make this as well. Hardik has made this strategy using AI. He told me about this. What about for how's अरे 1,90,000 is not HNI, sir. Hari, HNI is 1 CR plus. Do I need static IP? No, you do not. How can I withdraw and pay my loan or Reddit credit card bill monthly? भाई वो तो जितनी चादर है उतना खर्चो सबसे पहले तो. How can I pledge government bonds and grow? We will once you open an account, we will connect you with the grow team. They'll help you out on how to do it. I have both account but not used. Would there be any chance to get the benefits that you said? Yeah. Okay. Very, very good question. If you have a grow account, you'll get this benefit. If you do not have a grow account and you open a grow account with Algo test, then also you'll get this benefit. You'll get this benefit irrespective. Grow account holder signed up with Algo. Great. What are the other charges applicable? Zero. बैक टेस्ट करोगे तो आपको चार्ज लगेगा, मगर 25 बैक टेस्ट फ्री हैं आपके लिए. टू रन दिस स्ट्रैटेजी that we have discussed on grow is free. You just need to get in touch with our team and I'll give you all the details. Already have an account. How can I deploy the strategy? Great. Let's say you already have an account on grow. Okay. So just go to broker setup and set up grow. Put your name here. कुछ भी डाल दो यार. And put your client ID here. Your grow client ID would be your we've given it here. Go to this profile page and you'll find it. Right? Log in, go to the profile page, you'll find it. Just copy it here, add grow. That's it. Once you've done that, every morning at 8 a.m., you need to log into your broker. You'll be able to see here, log in. Right? You'll be able to log in here. Very simple. Login is enabled only between 8 and 3:30. All right. So log in and then we'll look for the strategy. We'll go to RA Algos. We'll find Hardik. Here हमारा Hardik. And first thing what we'll do is we are going to save this strategy. ठीक है ना, पहले यहां गए, चलो मैं अपना सेव हटा देता हूं. I'll go save and trade. That's it. Before you go to unlock, you need to get in touch with the Algo test team. Once you unlock it, you won't have to go here. Very, very simple. Everything will disappear for you. Shashi, can you share your number on how to get in touch with the Algo test team? So, can you write grow Algo test Hardik strategy, contact Shashi? मैं ही लिख देता हूँ, grow Algo test. All right. Okay. Can Algotest add a feature where we can see in the backtest what would have happened if we would have compounded the strategy and add rules for compounding? And okay, in RA algos we are going to add that, but in the regular backtest we have that. I'm going to show the regular backtest at the end. All right. Please show Rajesh ji. I'll show it at the end. Will RA algos be free for grow for lifetime? Manuji, only this strategy on RA algos will be free for you. All right. Other RAs, if we get into a collaboration with them, and if Grow agrees, then we can have those strategies free for you as well. But as of now, it's only this strategy. Positional strategy Nifty. Well, ये भी दे देता हूँ. Can pledge stocks? Of course, you can pledge stock. Explains slippage consider in option buying. In option buying, if you're doing Nifty, then use 1%. If you're doing Sensex, 1.5%. But नहीं आ रहा कि ये स्ट्रेटजी. राकेश जी विल हैव सबसे पहले इफ यू आर फेसिंग मोर स्लिपेजेस देन यू आप फिर आपको ना अपनी ट्रेड्स देखनी पड़ेंगी. ठीक है. शशि, कैन यू मैसेज राकेश सिद्धपुरा इन जेठालाल. अरे जेठालाल, हाँ क्या हाल है? ये हमारे पुराने वो हैं. In 16 November, I saw loss of 13, but in the sir backtest and live you'll have to go over each and every trade. Backtest में ट्रेड क्या आई थी, उसमें लाइव में ट्रेड क्या आई, और फिर आपको डिफरेंस बताना है. केतन जी, आपके जवाब मैंने दिया था यार. लेट मी लुक एट इट. केतन को कोनेल. आई हैव बोथ अकाउंट but not used. Would there be any chance to get benefits that you said? बोथ अकाउंट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ सर? अगर आपके पास ग्रो का अकाउंट है, चाहे एल्गो टेस्ट के ये चाहे जो मैंने आपको एल्गो टेस्ट का लिंक दिया है उससे आपने खोला हो या वैसे खोला हो, इट डजेंट मैटर. आपको ये बेनिफिट मिलेगा, ये स्ट्रेटजी आपको फ्री में मिलेगी. इसका कोई मंथली चार्ज नहीं रहेगा. प्लीज प्रोसीड टू शो द. ओके, या वेरी गुड. सो वंस you've saved the strategy and it's free for you, then you have to go to RA Algos. All right. Click on Nifty positional. वो यहां पे आ जाएगी आपके पास. चलो दूसरी देख लेते हैं. So let's look at this one. Let's like right now I haven't enabled it for myself, but let's assume the strategy gets enabled with your Grow account, or after you make the payment, then you need to put the quantity multiplier, 2 lot, 1 lot, 3 lot, save it, and then activate it. That's it. That is it. All right. It's as simple as that. So let me show you the process again. You went to RA Algos. All right. Uh, you checked the strategy from this guy, Hardik. All right. You saved the strategy. Once you come to unlock, get in touch with Shashi, give your grow account number, and it'll be free for you. All right. After that, you just need to go to Algo Trade, look for the strategy here and activate it. Define the quantity multiplier and activate it. That is it. Nothing else required. Every morning, you just need to do two things. Uh, Log into your broker and activate or restart the strategy. That's it. 51,000 प्रॉफिट पर मंथ है या फॉर ईयर है सर? पर मंथ हो तो मेरे को भी दे दो. It's 51% for the year. 1,000 for the year. And can we make strategy live every day, even if it is time based, like Wednesday to yes, it's the positional strategy, Sharad. It is a positional strategy, and it is basically the brief I know about it. It is from Wednesday to expiry day. Ashok, because there's some issue going on. Ashok Malviya with the RA, with that RA. What does it mean? Unlock. Great. Tanhai. Yeah, I'm reading that correctly. Tanhai. Okay. Great. Yeah. Unusual name. What does it mean unlock? Unlock का मतलब ये है कि सर ये एक पेड स्ट्रैटेजी है. You can unlock it by paying 24,000 or 2499 or 2500 on a monthly basis, or on a quarterly basis 6,000 rupees. We are saying we are going to waive this off for you if you trade this strategy with your Grow account. All right. What are the charges of Algo test? To run this strategy, there are no charges. If you are trading with Grow, if you are not trading with Grow, then it is 2499 for the month. Okay, Sheikh Abdullah, I already have a Grow account. Great. As well. And I was using Algo test with some other broker. I could see only one strategy, but no other. मैं समझा नहीं sir. If you have a Grow account already, you can use that account to run this strategy for free. Is adjustment required during life of the trade? Yeah, it is auto adjusting based on some rules. So as I understand, only Wednesday entry and Tuesday expiry day exit. Yes, means only one entry per week and four per month. Yes, Vinod, that's correct. What is the yearly ROI? Okay, पंकज कुमार सर, ईयरली आरओआई मैंने आपको यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करके दिया हुआ है. ऑलराइट, द मार्जिन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस स्ट्रैटेजी इज अराउंड 2 लाख रुपीस. द ओवरऑल बैक टेस्ट प्रॉफिट इज 51,000 बैक टेस्ट. ओके. This 51,000 includes the slippages, includes the charges, includes the brokerage. 20 rupees an order, brokerage is included. All right. And based on that, the ROI is this. If you do not have a Grow account, or if you do not trade this with a Grow account, then you will have to pay RA expenses. So your monthly ROI with one, so your yearly ROI with one lot will be this, two lots will be this, and three lots will be this. But if you trade this with a Grow account, after 20 rupees an order, after every expenses, and I am not including the fact that Grow does not take cash margin for option selling. Very important. Cash margin नहीं लेता वो. All right. Then you can expect, not expect, but then this is the back test ROI. All right. This strategy was made for after back testing it for 3 years, focused on the last 2 years of backtest, which is from 1st of Jan 2024, and so on and so forth. Max drawdown divided by capital. इन द लास्ट 1 ईयर जब ड्रॉडाउन लगा था और वो मैक्सिमम ड्रॉडाउन लगा था, तो लगभग 6% का ड्रॉडाउन लगा था आपके कैपिटल। और राइट, तो उसका मतलब आपको उतना 11,000 रुपए 12,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा रखना पड़ेगा। राइट, हो, आई होप पंकज आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन। हाँ, अशोक, आई ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू। Strategy details, Rituji, the strategy details are obviously this is a paid strategy of the RA. He has used this framework that I can tell you. What is the framework? Ideation, strategy creation, backtest, forward test, algo to make this strategy, and he is willing to give it for free to algo test users. All right. Alpesh, there is a problem with the RA going on with the RA. Can I withdraw full amount after every day? Deepak ji, I didn't understand that. I didn't get that. Is it maintain proper SL? It is with hedges, first of all. If gap up or gap down happens, is it affect? Lal Mohan ji, the strategy has hedges. मतलब it's a hedged strategy. अगर मान लो जोड़ा बेचा हुआ है, कॉल पुट बेचा हुआ है, तो उसके साथ कॉल पुट खरीदा भी हुआ है, तो गैप अप और गैप डाउन में आपको ऑब्वियसली अफेक्ट आएगा, मगर अनलिमिटेड लॉस वाली सिचुएशन नहीं है। I can't find this on my Grow account. Chiranjit, you will not. Shashi, can you let me help you guys with this. Shashi, can you just write that to in order to get this strategy for free, please contact me. And if you have a Grow account, of course. Would the strategy periodically be reviewed and maintained by the RA? Yes, on a quarterly basis. ये वीकली स्ट्रेटजी इंट्राडे नहीं है। और तो बहुत आर एल्गो स्ट्रेटजी फ्री हैं, और एल्गो कैन आई ट्रेड? यू कैन ट्रेड द फ्री स्ट्रेटजीज ऑफ कोर्स, बट सस्ता रोए और महंगा रोए, वो वाली बात है, और ये तो फ्री है। सर, वन स्ट्रेटजी इज फ्री और मोर देन वन? ओनली दिस वन इज फ्री। वी आर वर्किंग विद दिस आर एंड वी आर वर्किंग विद ग्रो टू गेट मोर स्ट्रेटजीज, पेड स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर फ्री for our users. It is asking RA fees. Yes, it guys, it will ask you RA fees even if you try to unlock with your Grow account. Let me just share it. I guess we're getting similar questions. Now, what to do? All right. So we'll go over ideation, strategy creation, backtest, forward test, live. I'll go over there. Now, what to do? All right. First of all, sign up on Algo Test, create an account on Grow, subscribe for free. All right. Sign up on Algo Test. Very easy. I think most of you did it already. Create an account on Grow. If you already have an account on Grow, perfect. You do not need to create another one. If you don't have an account on Grow, we will provide you the link. Please create an account on Grow. Number three, to get this strategy for free, to get this subscription for free, please reach out to us on this number. Shashi, can you make a consolidated thing for this? Let me make it. Just hold on, guys. Just give me a second. And you'll be getting all this information in the chat box, guys. Chat box में सबको आ रहा होगा. All right, I've shared it all on the chat box now, and you'll be able to see it. All right, so first, what you got to do? Sign up on Algo Test using our referral. It'll be beneficial. आप वैसे भी करना चाहते हो वैसे भी कर लो. It's up to you. उसका बस benefit है आपको. Create an account on Grow. Already you have an account on Grow. Great. If you don't, I've given the link to open an account on Grow. Subscribe for the strategy for free. The strategy is for free. Today, we have this is just an initial um, partnership with Grow and with the RA. So what is Grow's intention? अभी आपको पता है उसका IPO वगैरह भी हुआ है. The intention is to help the retail through proper means and channels using the power of RAs. All right. And using the power of automation through Algo Test. So they are like, okay, let us help out with this one initiative. We are working with them to make more strategies free, more premium strategies free, not regular free strategies. All right. So that is what it is. All right. Can you explain how to use any other broker with Algo Test? Yeah, you can. We have associated with 40 plus brokers, around 50 brokers. You can sign up with any one of them. But the advantage of doing it with Grow is you get to trade for free. बाकी सब में आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्ज भी लगेगा और क्रेडिट्स भी आपके लगेंगे. All right, but it's up to you. We are not forcing anything. Is this available on mobile app? We are not on mobile app yet, but our website is mobile enabled. I can say many people, including myself, especially in the morning, I use it on the mobile to activate my strategies and all. Kishan ji, just give me 5 minutes and then we'll start. We cannot make a thing on commodity. Where do I put the money? Only credit to Grow and connect Algo Test and start strategy. Is there a workaround for restart every day? Yeah, sir, only need to put money in your Grow account. बाकी सब कुछ free है. Is there a workout around for restart every day? Yes, auto restart. Automatically हो जाएगा. बस आपको morning में अपना broker login करना पड़ेगा. With Grow, forward test is not free. Yes. If it is paid, what are the fees? It's 50 credits per month for one strategy. I can only run one broker and run multiple strategies with the correct money in Grow. Yeah, you can connect many Grow accounts as well if you have 2, 3 Grow accounts. Also, after unlocking, how to proceed? Sir, wait, I have given all the instructions in the chat, Mr. Sharad. Please check it. And if you're having any issues, just guys, just WhatsApp, screenshot this page and take this number. Is it a hedge strategy? Yes. How can I understand the risk exposure of this? That is the SL percentage on 1 point. You won't know the SL percentage. All I can tell you, Siddesh Paralkar, it is a hedge strategy. अगर कॉल बेचा है तो कॉल खरीदा भी हुआ है. Also, do we have to request API with Grow? No, it is already integrated. Sharad Pandey. Would be nice to see if, how the change in expiry day has affected it since September. It does won't matter, na. Yeah, but basically it is going on from first day of the expiry to expiry day. All right, so it doesn't matter if your expiry was on which day. ट्यूसडे था या क्या था, अभी देख लेते हैं. बट डेफिनेटली गुड क्वेश्चन यार जितेंद्र. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. So this is how it's going on in 2025. September, October, November, up till now. So not bad, right? No effect. Thanks, Pankaj. सब कुछ 365 से डिवाइड है क्या? एंड डीडी के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 300 पर. नहीं नहीं, 1 साल का जो बैक टेस्ट का रिजल्ट लिया है, तो वो मतलब 1 साल का रिजल्ट है. और डीडी भी 1 साल का है. आई वॉन्ट टू नो हाउ कम ग्रो इज गिविंग मार्जिन कंप्लीटली फॉर. यार मेनी ब्रोकर्स डू. इट्स नॉट ओनली ग्रो, अर्जुन. Many brokers do. They do it on an intraday basis. Grow is doing it on intraday and positional basis. All right. So it is not a, it is a mandate for the broker to maintain the cash component. It is not a mandate for the client to maintain the cash. How to withdraw profits? Very simple. At the expiry day when you exit, जितना पैसा बना निकाल लो. Algo Grow is charging, no, Arjun. Algo Grow is charging 500 rupees per month for API access, not for Algo test. Maybe if you get their API on their own and you code a strategy in Python and do it, uska 500 मांग रहे हैं, not with Algo test. So I need to keep 1 lakh, though 90,000, I'll say keep 2 lakh rupees in my account and trade will be executed through my Grow account, right? Yes, Melvin. This strategy introduced only today, no history. Yogendra Pawar, there is a history of this strategy, but we got into this relationship only last week. All right. So that is why it was introduced uh, like this, where it was made free for Grow. That is the reason. सर सिग्नल स्ट्रेटजी कैसे बताएं उसके बारे में, उसके आई डू नॉट डू सिग्नल्स बट आई टेल यू एट द एंड. How much capital is required? Around 2 lakhs for one lot. Rudra Mehta. Yogendra Pawar, I've already answered. Sir, I have opened Algo test account from your link. How can I understand that has properly opened from your link? Please guide. Mr. Roy, just get in touch with Shashi. Will help you out. In backtest after August 12, next trade is September 5. Why so? Good question. So what I've been told by the RA, and I asked the same question. Thanks, Jitendra. Basically, it is based on certain criteria, which if not fulfilled, it will not take a trade. All right. Momentum criteria. ये आप तो पुराने बंदे हो तो इसलिए आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Please show some stocks also like TCS Mothers. Stock options, guys, are not very liquid. That's why I don't trade much in them at all, actually. Explain credit, I will. Should we take AlgoTest subscription with Grow? No, that's you can sign up with Grow on AlgoTest, or you can add the broker separately as well if you sign up with your phone number. How AI was implemented in this strategy, please explain. Give me 2 more minutes. Actually, 3 more minutes. I'm just going, Praveer, I'm just going over all the questions. Can you please explain, share the strategy in brief? I just joined now. Abhishek Mehta, I think I answered your question earlier. The strategy is very, very simple. All right. The strategy is a positional strategy. It starts on Wednesday, which is the first day of the week for the weekly expiry, and it ends on expiry day. All right. Uh, it is a positional strategy. It is a nifty, and it is a hedged strategy. This is all these things told by me by the RA. What is hedge strategy? If I've sold a call, there will be an associated call buy as well. All right. If I've sold a put, there'll be associated put buy as well. Another thing that he has revealed, there is a locking mechanism, a, a profit taking mechanism. So if my profit reaches wherever, I don't know, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, then it will lock my profit. Margin is too high for hedge strategy. If option buying is there, then margin would be less. No. If you, Sachin Channa, if this strategy is run on non-expiry day, then the margin is around 1,10,000. If the strategy is run on expiry day, अरे भाई अगर expiry तक exit ही नहीं आया तो छोड़ दूंगा क्या? Then the margin required is around 2 lakh rupees. That is the thing. Next topic. जेठालाल क्या हाल है? Is that 1.9 lakh including the drawdown? No. So that is why I'm saying it requires around 2 lakh rupees. Drawdown is 11,000. Kuldeep, I signed up with my Grow account yesterday. Do I get extra credits? Unfortunately, no. If भूल गए, then you can, वो थोड़ा सा मतलब सेबी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, एवरी डे आपको साइन अप लॉग इन करना है टू द ब्रोकर, राइट? How to chart back testing data algo? Okay, now let's get to something which a lot of people are saying. AI, right? How to do AI. All right. So again, I'm going to follow my same structure. My structure is very, very simple. Ideation, strategy creation, backtest, forward test, algo. All right. Now, I want to create a non-directional intraday strategy. अब मैं कैसे करूंगा? How am I to think? Non-directional intraday strategy, basically, I want to sell maybe a straddle and put some leg-wise SLs, right? And I want to exit if at the end of the day. So I want to enter at 9:20. मॉर्निंग में एंटर करूंगा, इवनिंग में एग्जिट करूंगा, और जितना भी दिन का थीटा है वो खा लूंगा. दैट इज माई आइडिया. राइट. सो लेट मी क्रिएट अ स्ट्रैटेजी अराउंड इट. सो let me sell a call, and here I'm going to put a stop loss based on underlying points 50. Why 50? Because 50 is one strike away. If the market moves one strike, I know it is less, but don't worry. We are going to use AI to optimize, right? So I'm going to put a stop loss of 50, and similarly for the put side. And let me backtest it for the last 1 year. Simple as that. All right. So here are my backtest results. Nothing very impressive, as you can say. Hardly any profit, you know. Okay, doesn't matter. So what to do now? Let me call in my RA, which is my agent 920. All right. I want to do this. Run backtest with stop loss of underlying points 50, increment by 10 points up to 150 अंडरलाइंग पॉइंट्स। मैं इसको ये बोल रहा हूं कि भाई अभी मैंने एक बैक टेस्ट रन किया था, अब मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि यू रन मल्टीपल बैक टेस्ट विद स्टॉप लॉस फ्रॉम 50 टू 150। 50 से 150 का स्टॉप, 50 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस लगाया था हमने एक स्ट्राइक का। अब मैं बोल रहा हूं 50 से 150 तक का लगा ले, और उस पे 10 पॉइंट्स का इंक्रीमेंट। सो 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40 एंड 50। So it is running multiple back tests for me, essentially 11 back tests, and it is going to show me a table for that. All right. All right. And here we have it. Yes. Here we have it. Here are the different stop losses. Here is the overall profit. Here is the return to max drawdown. Here is the win percentage, average profit, risk to reward ratio. After looking at this table, I can see if I put my SL at 120 points, I'll get the best results. All right. So I am using AI to help me optimize my strategy. Another thing I want to add, keep stop loss at 120, at underlying points 120। अब मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं, स्टॉप लॉस तो ठीक है, व्हाट इफ आई ऐड अ टारगेट, व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल टारगेट? राइट, कीप स्टॉप लॉस at underlying points 120, add target from underlying points 50 to underlying points 150 with increment of 10 points. So last वाले में we added a stop loss, right? Here what I'm doing, okay, what if I add a target as well? I found that having a stop loss of 120 points is the best. ठीक है, highest profit and lowest drawdown. राइट, तो ओके ठीक है, एसएल ये रख लो, टारगेट अगर मैं ये लगाऊं तो क्या रहेगा? राइट, सो दिस इज विदाउट एनी टारगेट 4.45, एंड नाउ आई वांट टू सी विद अ टारगेट। राइट, once this is done, I'll take up all your questions again. And ये compiling results, different backtests, and here we have it. ओहो, ये गलत हो गया, नन 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 क्यों आ गया? Anyways, okay, there is, okay, let me add this. Keep the stop loss at 100 and at underlying points 120 for all target profit. All right, there's some, I can only run multiple backtests with only stop loss value. Okay, there is some issue here, but anyways. So what I see is if I keep my stop loss at 120 underlying points, then I'll get the best results. So let me just do that. And let's backtest it. All right. So this is actual AI being used to make a strategy. All right. Here you can add some slippage, brokerage, right? And so on and so forth. So here is what I'm using AI to run different scenarios. In order to run this strategy and to make more such strategies, all right, you can use you can use AI, you can use algo test, and you can run many strategies. If I save this strategy, AI build strategy, I can run it for free on Grow. What I mean is AI built strategy. If I activate this, all right, and if I run it on my Grow account, it'll be for free. Algo test will not charge you anything. All right. So that's another added bonus, and the reason why we are having this partnership with Grow, because Grow saw the results of our users and they wanted to enable us to get more such users, or help retail traders understand the whole process of ideation, strategy creation, backtest, forward test, live, without making or putting any great money, all right, without much charges, all right. So let me just go over your question. What is the percentage ROI per month? Abhishek ji, the ROI, annual ROI is around 26% on the backtest. Entry and exit time is not disclosed by the RA. Won't the results change based on how many DT are left? It is every day DT, every week it's DT 4 to 0. Does the strategy have built-in adjustments if market moves in opposites? No, RA will not intervene. Praveer, this is all automated. Is there any certain list of questions we can ask? If yes, can you provide the list? Uh, Ask anything, Neeraj. AI backtesting I showed. Show the compounding component of backtest if it is there. Yash, I'll get that added for you. Right? मगर अभी तो ये रिजल्ट्स थे आपके मोटा मोटा, आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, राइट? या I'll in RA algos I'll get that compounding component added for you. Yeah. What are the credits in algo tests for dashboard? Okay, great question. Algo test credits. All right. First of all, you can purchase these credits from algo test. All right. Five 500 rupees for 500 credits, 1,000 rupees for 1,100, and so on and so forth. What to do with those credits? Now, uh, what can you do with those credits? You can backtest. 25 free backtests I give every week to everyone. But if you want to backtest more strategies, all right, like we used AI to backtest. So every time you're using the AI, it's taking your backtest. If you want to use more backtests, you need credits. All right. If you do not have a grow plan and you want to execute your strategies, you need credits. If you are using signals, then you need credits. You can even purchase on money. If you want to use the strategy builder and the simulator, then also you need credits. 1 week of strategy builder simulator is free by Algo test. All right. Something like this. You can trade for easily. With Grow, you do not need to pay for Algo trade. All right. And if I show you further, all right, how many credits are required? Okay. For Algo execution, like the one AI strategy that we built, to run that strategy for a month, you need 100 credits. To run it on paper trade, you need 50 credits. To back test, we have different plans: unlimited for 7 days, unlimited for 28 days. All right. For 7 days, you need 600 credits, and for 28 days, you need 1500 credits. But if, say, you want to buy only 100 back tests, so you need 100 credits. Simple as that. Discretionary and indicator algo or signals also have a similar plan. All right. With the signals plan, if you purchase the 6 month plan for 7,500 credits or 5,000, we give PineScript coding support as well. So we'll um, code your PineScript. Where do you get 1 minute data from NSE and BSE? Do you have any number of lots that you consider under one order per strategy? One lot, mind mentor. All right. Is there any certain list of, if yes, can? Oh, okay, okay. Neeraj, thank you. Thank you for answer making it clear. So great question, Neeraj. Why don't we ask the AI for that? ठीक है? तो AI से ही पूछते हैं यार उसको. Let me open that strategy, or we can make a new one, but whatever. What all prompts can I give? And Neeraj, good question. We are actually going to be increasing the number of prompts very, very soon. Right. So we are working on that. We are working at a breakneck pace with specific parameters to run multiple backtests with varying stop loss, to analyze the results of previous backtests, to get information about the trading strategy, or to get help with the specific platform feature, so on and so forth. These are some of the prompts you can ask. All right. So whatever questions you have, Neeraj, about the AI, you can ask the AI itself. It is abhi itna intelligent hai. Obviously, we're going to increase the prompts, right? And for example, that signal thing you are saying, signal आ गया और उसके basis पे back test हो जाए, and so on and so forth. We're going to increase its abilities, but whatever the abilities there are right now, you can ask it. All right. So yeah, let's carry on. All right. So yes, guys, this was our little what do you call it? Um, thing that we have done with Grow and with RA Hardik. What have we tried to do? We've tried to make the experience completely affordable. Number one, we've tried to give you a strategy given by an RA, right? Vetted by an RA, a premium strategy vetted by an RA for free because of this partnership. He has Hardik has also obliged, so many thanks to him. And we have worked with Grow to make Algo test free for you. All right. How, at least what I mean by that is trading on Algo test free for you. All right. So I'm going to put this on the chat again. Whatever questions you have regarding today's webinar, right, with respect to how can I open a Algo test account? How can I open a grow account? How can I subscribe to this strategy for free? You'll be able to get it all on this number which I have shared of Shashi. It's written over here as well. He'll help you out in your entire journey. Number one. Number two, if you are using another broker and if you want to join grow and if you have a problem कि यार मेरे को अपने सारे म्यूचुअल फंड्स शिफ्ट करने पड़ेंगे या स्टॉक शिफ्ट करने पड़ेंगे, प्रॉफिट बुक करना पड़ेगा, डू नॉट वरी. The grow team helps us out with that as well. They will be able to transfer all your funds without any transactions. Basically, you don't need to sell and buy again. It will be transferred from CDSL or NSDL to their respective accounts. So that is also covered for. Number two, grow does not make it mandatory for you to have any cash balance, right? So if you can pledge your entire mutual fund holding and trade, all right, you do not need to maintain a cash balance of 50%. This is another feature that grow has. And they ये आज की बात नहीं है, 2 साल से है. तो मैं बोलूं कि ये कोई स्पेशल है अभी बंद हो जाएगा, नन ऑफ दैट. अभी 2 साल से ये चल रहा है. राइट. और अब तो आई थिंक आईपीओ भी आ गया, तो दे डोंट हैव एनी फंडिंग का प्रॉब्लम. राइट. सो दे कैन फंड दिस फॉर you guys as well. Number 3, trading on algo test becomes free for you. Number 4, a very very premium strategy of the RA also becomes free for you, and you can subscribe to it. Right. How many legs can you consider under one strategy? For this strategy that we did, or in general, 10 legs you can have. I assume each leg cannot go more than 24 lots due to Nifty. Yeah. We have slicing as well. Mind it mentor for you. Yeah. Yes, Grow will charge 20 rupees an order with the free strategy. Yeah. अरे भाई कहीं तो वो भी पैसा बनाएगा ना. So this is what I'm saying. You might be using another broker which is maybe charging you less. ठीक है. But you need to keep 50% cash balance on that. और उस पे max to max you can only earn 6%. Here you can pledge your mutual fund and fund this 20 rupees. मतलब इट्स कान यहां से पकड़ो या वहां से पकड़ो बराबर है. दोनों का बराबर है, इतना कोई वो नहीं है. पंकज जी. राइट. So I hope you enjoyed today's webinar. Shashi, can you share the feedback form to anyone? If you guys, want us to continue or have some feedback regarding what to change about today's masterclass, it was geared, I'll ideally tell you, it was geared towards beginners and retail traders. All right. It wasn't geared towards more advanced traders, and I apologize for that. This was something which we wanted to try because of late we were getting a lot of beginner traders, and their feedback was यार हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं था. So Shashi, if you could share the feedback form please on chat. Thanks a lot. Yes. And all right. Some more question. Can pledge only mutual fund or mutual fund, stocks, debts, सारा कुछ जो भी ट्रेड करते हो आप, जो भी आप ग्रो से खरीद सकते हो वो प्लेज कर सकते हो. Can we shut down our laptop after morning login and activation of Algo? Yes, sir. Okay. We skipped over this part. Benefits of Algo. Your strategy is rigorously back tested on historical data, full automation, no charts, no position, no adjustments. Algo test runs on the cloud. It doesn't matter if you are on a train, plane or metro, आपका algo चल रहा होगा. I hope this answers your question, Sansan. Rajesh ji, having account with Kotak Neo, great, yeah. You can run your strategies with Kotak Neo as well. Not a problem. After unlocking from algo trade, what to do next? Sharad ji, just I'll tell you, I'm saying just WhatsApp Shashi. He'll help you out. Uh, and if multi-broker also there in algo test, do where will algo strategy goes? सब कुछ समझाएंगे. Uh, First of all, Sharad ji, are you using Grow account or are you using any other account? Sharad Pandey. All right. In any case, just get in touch with Shashi. He'll help you out in all aspects. Another thing, Shashi has also shared a Google review form. If you enjoyed today's session and if you'd like us to continue, please give us a review on Google. I would really appreciate it. All right. Thanks a lot, guys, for spending this, uh, you know, time with us, and I hope you were able to gain. I know this was geared towards beginners, right? And I hope beginners were able to learn something, and we will be doing more such sessions with Grow in the future as well. We have a long-term partnership with them, and they are very good with starting with the experiments. Yeah. Shashi, please give your number to Sharad, yeah, Sharad Pandey. How to increase the number of lots for this strategy after a few months? You can go to the quantity multiplier and increase it. Like this, I'll show you. वो यहाँ गए and go to the RA strategy or wherever your strategy is. Just hold on and just edit this. 3 है, 10 कर दो, save कर दो, activate कर दो. Can you make strategy and equity on behalf of me? As I tell you, yes, you can do it via signals. You'll have to buy the 6 month signal plan. Shashi, can you share your number with Rajesh ji so that his custom request can also be fulfilled? All right. All right. Another thing, guys, those of you who enjoyed today's session, which was geared towards the beginners, and if you liked it, please give us a review on Google. I'm sharing the link again in your chat, and it just helps us, motivates us. We'll try to, we will be getting more such sessions with the help of Grow soon. And we hope that this journey of learning and especially for beginners continues. All right. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you soon. Bye.